T-Mobile Error Zero is a common messaging issue that prevents you from sending SMS or MMS messages. When this error occurs, you'll typically see a "Can't Send Message" notification on your device. This problem can stem from various causes, including network connectivity issues, incorrect message center settings, or account problems. Let's explore the immediate solutions you can try. First, try these simple solutions that resolve most Error Zero cases. Step 1. Toggle airplane mode on and off. Turn it on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This simple action resets your network connections and often resolves connectivity issues. Step 2. Restart your device completely. Power it off, wait about 30 seconds, then power it back on. This clears temporary system issues that might be interfering with messaging. Step 3. Ensure you have a strong signal. Check the signal bars on your device and move to an area with better coverage if necessary. Weak signals can prevent messages from sending properly. If basic steps don't work, check your message center settings and app configuration. Next, verify your SMSC settings. That's your short message service center configuration. These settings must match T-Mobile's specifications. If they're incorrect, reset them to default values. Clear your messaging app's cache and data to resolve potential software glitches. This removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with message sending. Finally, confirm that your messaging plan is active and there are no restrictions on your account. Sometimes account issues can prevent message sending even when everything else appears normal. According to network engineers, 70% of Error Zero cases are resolved through these basic network reset procedures. These simple steps are your first line of defense against messaging issues. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve T-Mobile Error Zero, advanced techniques focus on deeper network configuration issues. The most common culprit is incorrect APN settings, which account for approximately 25% of all messaging failures. Resetting network settings is a powerful troubleshooting step that clears all network configurations and returns them to factory defaults. This process affects Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations. T-Mobile's ongoing transition to 5G networks and rich communication services can sometimes cause temporary messaging errors. Keeping your device software and carrier settings updated is crucial for compatibility with these evolving technologies. Prevention is more effective than reactive troubleshooting. Proactive monitoring includes staying aware of local network maintenance schedules, maintaining alternative communication methods, and regularly clearing your device cache. If advanced troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, it's time to escalate to T-Mobile technical support. Professional support can diagnose account-level problems, network infrastructure issues, and device compatibility concerns that require carrier intervention.